Welcome to day 15, and you may be wondering why I've got all this sound going on in the back, the laundry. Well, you'll soon find out today. Today's category is personal responsibility. Yeah, we haven't had that one for a few days. And for the newbies, please go back to day 1 and do everything in order. It's very important. Okay, for everyone else following me along, we're on day 15 and the subject of today is the laundry bin. Laundry. Okay, so do you have to wade through a week's worth of skid mark knickers, slimy sportswear and dirty jeans strewn across the bedroom floor just to find their school uniform? Remember, you are not an employee of a sweaty Chinese laundry. You are a to be respected, loving, caring mother that has 101 things to do to keep your household running smoothly. When your child is performing because you haven't had time to connect with them, reading a book, going to the park, checking homework, do you think they'll understand why you're looking so bedraggled from all that tiring housework? No, they haven't got a clue. Furthermore, they will grow up to not respect, care for and look after their clothes. Yes, I know clothes are just bits of material sewn together and important in the grand scheme of things. However, clothes will get you noticed. The dream job, dream lover, the dream opportunity can all come as a result of the right respect paid to those dirty clothes strewn on the bedroom floor. So let's get to it. Put a trendy laundry bin in their bedroom. Remember, high-speed kids need high-speed solutions. Make it easy for them to take personal responsibility, which will improve their self-esteem. And at the end of each day, they must pick up dirty clothes and pop them in. Okay, start them as young as possible. Yeah? And make it a rule that you will only wash what's in the bin. Yes. Explain clearly to them. The only clothes you'll wash are the ones in the laundry bin, and anything else is left. And stick to it. Slowly but surely, they'll start to take pride in their personal space, and you'll feel a whole lot better too. Okay, fantastic. Thank you for staying with me. And I'll see you tomorrow.